was its source of fund worth Rs 641 crore in the SC for claimants. Hyderabad-based Heera Group has submitted details worth Rs 641 crore in the Supreme Court for securing the interest of investors against the claim worth Rs 400 crore. There is a valid saleable title of Heera Group. The Supreme Court agreed to lift the ED's attachment regarding the properties of the high-profile business group. On the historical judgment that came in the first week of December, CEO Dr. Heera Sheikh said, "It is nothing but pure Heera. We are finally vindicated." Earlier on March 24, 2022, the Supreme Court order had noted the petitioners again state that they have no objection as long as any of the properties numbering 87 attached are sold in a transparent manner and as per a reasonable market price, and they will also assist the SFIO in that process. Following this, the Heera Group pointed out that the ED registered an FIR for putting up a board in their own property and inviting applications for the buyers as per the orders of the SC. The court said that the ED launched the FIR only to put up the board as per its order. The Supreme Court order clearly stated that such FIR was on stay. The SFIO has been assigned to deal with all the existing and new warrants issued by the lower court in the Heera Group case, which is a big relief for CEO Heera Sheikh and Heera Group family. The investigation is stated to have been completed, which is kept by the SFIO. The division bench of SC in its order on 10th November said, FSL Lab is concerned, the story is almost 4 years old but still the report has not come as yet. SFIO to once again take up the issue of ensuring that finality is put to the issue of the FSL report, as according to the petitioners, some of the challenges expressed by the tax consultant also arise from the seizure of the computers and the same lying with the FSL Lab. Earlier on Feb 2022, in the Bar and Bench website has tweeted these observations. On the other hand, Justice S.K. Kaul had observed, 2 years is a long time to find evidence. Obviously, our sympathies will then lie with the Heera Group. On behalf of the company, Heera Sheikh assured her investors that their claims would be met sooner. The single property out of 87 is sufficient to meet all the claims since the single property's identification and valuation were of Rs 800 crore. Earlier, the division bench of the Supreme Court headed by Justice S.K. Kaul ordered fixed 30th November 2022 as the last date for receiving any claims, whereafter it will be presumed that the claims have been abandoned or do not exist. Nothing but the trust of my investors is my real Heera, says Heera Sheikh. I'll preserve it, come what may, thundered Heera Sheikh. Reiterating that the Heera Group follows an interest-free business model, Heera Sheikh elaborated that the move to offer the prime assets in Toli Chowki, Hyderabad is to retain the trust and confidence of its investors. She added, all genuine investors are a valuable part of the Heera Group family and will continue to be a part of its historic business journey. This is our shared vision for prosperity. Fighting a long legal battle to protect the rights of the company and investors, Heera Sheikh has set an example for the companies to take the help of law to restore the company's dignity, investors' trust and confidence from any business challenges.
मजीद खबरों के लिए जुड़े रहें हक की आवाज आपके साथ से। वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।